What's going on, everybody? Chris Bruce here, and I'm excited today because guess what? Today was a special day because I closed on my very first rental property 2020. Now, the thing about it is that most of you guys know me for buying and selling properties via wholesaling. And so the thing about it is that instead of taking this deal here that we picked up, which I'll talk about in just a minute, instead of actually going out and wholesaling this deal to try to make a quick 5-10 grand, we decided to go ahead and cash this thing out and keep it for a rental property. So here's the thing. Thing is that it's cool when you start making money to go out and buy Cartier glasses, Rolexes, things like that. But you got to make sure that you also buy assets. You know, the key to generational wealth is owning properties, and not just owning the property that you live in, but owning properties that you can start to make cash flow month after month after month. And so what I wanted to show you guys is this rental property here that we just picked up, and I'll show you all of the details what came with it. So this was a property that the homeowner actually unfortunately passed away, and the kids took over the property. And the thing about it is that they had listed it a year ago for $49,000. They weren't able to find a buyer, and they pretty much just wanted to get rid of it. And so instead of going through the whole hassle trying to find a realtor and things like that, they decided to just pretty much damn near give it away. So we picked up this property for $23,775. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property on a lake. It's crazy, all right? And the thing about it is that not only do we pick up a property at a very, very low price, but we're also going to be a cash flow a few $100s a month, month after month after month. So the thing about it is that I want you guys is that as you start to generate cash, as you start to build up your real estate business, as you start to build up any business, get cash reserves, remember the key to wealth is owning assets. We can change the narratives of our family, we can change the narratives of whatever we may have went through in life, but we have to own things. Ownership is key, all right? Now, before I got to this, I actually started wholesaling properties. And if you don't know what that is, I'm actually going to be talking and teaching you that on this Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can get started in real estate just like I did 11 years ago and start to be able to get $5, $10, $15, $20,000 checks wholesaling properties without using your cash, without using your credit, or without having a real estate license or any previous experience. So there's going to be a link somewhere on this video. If you're watching this from Instagram, there's going to be a link in my bio. Click that, register for the class, and I look forward to showing you how you can get started in 2020 and years to go. I'll see you in the web class.